there everyone, and today I'm going to give you an unboxing of this USB rechargeable bike light. So I got this from the Amazon warehouse, and that's why it has the Amazon warehouse sticker on the back. We've also got the features here, like 360, rotate it 360 degrees, charge it via USB, and it's 180 lumens as well. Micro USB cable. Then we have a rear bike light. Then we have what looks like instructions. Actually really nice and simple, really easy to understand with the diagrams. And then we have another. And then we have some pieces. Okay, so let's just have a quick look at this bike light. Okay, so it's ready to go. And it has different modes as well, which is nice. Quite nice and bright. Looks like we can take this off for charging. Let's have a look at the rear lights. And that seems to work very well as well. And there is the attachments. And it has lots of different modes as well, which is quite useful. I'm not sure you turn it off though. Okay, so there is the unboxing. Thanks very much for watching.